In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a PlayStation 5 with Klarna. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy any PlayStation 5 console model and pay using Klarna, and this is also going to work for any other thing or Sony product available. This is because if you go over to the official Sony store, you will be able to use Klarna as one of the available payment methods. Sony officially offers Klarna as a payment method when you proceed to checkout. So all that you have to do is browse through all of the options available on the direct.playstation.com website. Just look for PlayStation Shop or Sony Shop and you will be able to browse through all of the products, namely the console. So at this home screen, you should see the newer PlayStation 5 Slim model, but you can also browse through all of the consoles here. So just go over to PlayStation 5 and then all PlayStation 5 consoles. At the moment, it seems like they only offer the digital edition console and the console with the disc reader over here. Choose whichever option you prefer. They also have this bundle with Marvel's Spider-Man 2. Once you have selected the specific model that you would like to purchase, add the item to your cart and you will be able to proceed to checkout. So click the cart icon, add it in checkout, and then proceed. You will be able to include your contact information, and once everything is set up on the payment window, you will be able to go over and choose Klarna. So as you can see right under Pay with Credit Card, the second option is going to be Klarna, Buy Now, Pay Later. So once you have ticked this option here, just set up or confirm the shipping address, go ahead and continue with Klarna. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website or mobile app where you can finish placing this order. You will have to sign into your Klarna account, of course, and once you have included all of the necessary details like your password and your account, you will be able to set up the payment plan and finish placing this order. It is extremely simple, but sadly, I won't be able to show you the full process on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy PlayStation 5 with Klarna. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.